Hey everyone, this is my first video on industrial safety, and in this video we will learn some basic terminologies and facts related to safety so that we can understand our further topics of safety. So let's begin with the presentation. The first thing which comes in our mind that what is safety? Safety is nothing but a quality or condition of being safe from danger, injury, damage, loss and accidents. Now, question arises that what is occupational safety? Occupational health and safety is a cross-disciplinary area concerned with protecting the safety, health and welfare of people engaged in work or employment. The other terminology is risk. A risk is the likelihood of a person being injured or receiving an adverse health effect due to a hazard. There are some factors that influences risk. First one is the frequency of exposure, and the second one is the route of exposure. Third one is how severe the injury or adverse effect of exposure is. Let's come to the next terminology, which is hazard. A hazard is any source of potential damage, harm or adverse health effects on something or someone under certain conditions at work. Condition, event or circumstance that could lead to or contribute to an unplanned or undesirable event. Now we will have an overview on the types of hazard. Hazard is classified into following four categories: physical hazard, chemical hazard, biological hazard, ergonomical hazard. Noise, vibration, radiation, temperature, pressure, velocity, height, electricity, physical characteristic comes under physical hazard. Explosive, flammable liquids, corrosives, oxidizing materials, toxic, carcinogenic substances, gases and air particulates comes under chemical hazard. Biological wastes, drugs, viruses, parasites, poisonous or diseases plants, animals comes under biological hazard. Poor work design, repetitive motion, prolonged sitting, poor layout, poor posture, improper lifting and handling, poor lighting and glare, poor ventilation, poor temperature control, poor humidity control, work rest cycles, violence, discrimination, extraneous stress, uneven workload, lack of personal space, poor inter-staff relationships comes under ergonomical hazard. Here you can see there are some signs of hazards. First one is prohibition sign, second one is warning sign, third one is danger sign, fourth one is mandatory signs, fifth one is emergency sign, sixth one is general information sign, seventh one is fire safety sign. Now our next terminology is accident. Accident is an unintended occurrence arising out of and in the course of employment of a person resulting in injury. Accidents are classified as per IS 3786-1983, which is titled as Computation of Frequency and Severity Rates for Industrial Injuries and Classification of Industrial Accidents. Accident is classified as per 7 factors. First one is classification according to agency. Agency is the object or substance which is most closely associated with the accident causing the injury and with respect to which adoption of a safety measure could have prevented the accident. Second one is classification according to unsafe material or physical condition. This identifies the unsafe mechanical or physical condition or conditions related to agency which contributed to the causation of accident. Third one is classification according to the unsafe act. This identifies the deviation from the accepted and laid down safe procedure which contributed to the causation of accident. Fourth one is according to the unsafe personal factor. This identifies the anatomical, physiological, or the psychological characteristic which permitted or occasioned the selected unsafe act. Classification according to type of accident. The type of accident is the manner in which the object or substance causing the injury comes into contact with the injured person or the movement of the injured person which resulted in the injury. Our next parameter is classification according to the nature of injury. This identifies the injury in terms of its principal physical characteristics. And the last and the seventh parameter is classification according to the location of the injury. Location of the injury identifies the part of the injured person's body directly affected by the injury identified. Now coming to the next topic, which is incident. Incident is any event that could lead or does result in harm to people, property, environment. Now our last topic is near miss. Near miss is an unplanned event that has the potential to cause but does not actually result in human injury, environment or equipment damage, or an interruption to normal operation.